welcome back to my channel. I'm Minimal Mara, and I decided for my next video to be more of like a packing video, trying to see if I can truly transition into this life of minimalism. And so I'm going to attempt to pack as a minimalist would for my niece's birthday in Atlanta this weekend. And so I'll be leaving on Saturday morning and I'll be coming back Sunday afternoon, which is not very long. But normally I would take a regular suitcase, an air mattress, a pillow, a blanket, some sheets, a couple pillowcases, extra underwear, extra socks, of course, and like a few other items just to like deal with, I guess, play with. But I decided to try my best to not do what I normally do and while I'm trying to transition into this life. So I have some of the items that I showed before. I had to add my edge control and my smoothing brush because I don't know what I was thinking. I cannot go out of town without my edges being laid. So I added this to the list of things that I'm going to try to fit into this dream travel like toiletry bag. That is my goal, to fit all of these items into here. And then hopefully I'll be able to only be carrying this larger or the largest dream travel bag that I got on. Thank you, Sashiko Reed, for hooking me up and looking out for a sister. But I'm hoping to fit all of these clothes and hopefully this dream travel bag into this dream travel bag, and then only have to carry this bag and my laptop bag. So hope I can do it. Wish me luck. Thanks for joining me. So as I'm looking at the items I decide to bring, I'm kind of freaking out. I mean, what if I go to a party? I don't have my lipstick. I don't have all the items that I usually bring with me on a trip. But I decided, since I'm going to go on this journey, I'm going to just go all in and keep working at it. These are all the things that I'm bringing. My e.l.f., my NARS, my Clinique, my Tom's, of course, toothpaste, toothbrush. I'm bringing about 2 to 3 outfits. Of course, some underwear and something to sleep in. Not even close to what I would normally bring, but I have a good feeling that this will work for the weekend. Now, I got these dream travel bags before I decided to really give my all into this journey. And so most minimalists would have gotten rid of these because they say that it's just more containers to put more junk in. Therefore, I do plan on deciding what to do with these, but in the meantime, I'm just going to use them to my advantage. I'm going to use the largest one for this weekend trip. Normally you would put them inside of a suitcase and it kind of keeps you organized, keeps all your things in one place. But for this weekend, I'm just going to use this large dream travel bag that has the cross clasp, and pretty much it's the only thing that I'm going to bring. Here I'm using the Konmari method, and I'm rolling up all of my clothes so that I can fit them all into this travel bag. It is a great way to save space. It's a great way to keep your clothes from getting wrinkled. Folding them in half just never worked. They always got wrinkled and have to iron it wherever I was at, and it just drove me crazy. So when I discovered Marie Kondo and her tidying up, I was forever grateful. After packing, I realized I still had a lot of space, and I had to really work hard to remember that I don't have to fill that space with stuff just because it's there. 2 things I did want to bring that I know will bring me joy is my T.D. Jakes book called Soar, which is mostly about personal growth and just building your dream from the ground up as a Christian. So overall, I feel there's still some room to grow, but in the meantime, I'm just going to sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.